In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheet in n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection you can use across your workflows to read, write, and update spreadsheet data without leaving n8n. First, open n8n and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Personal to view options tied to your user space. Then head into the Credentials tab. This is where n8n stores secure connections to external services, and it's the safest way to authenticate without hard-coding anything into individual workflows. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. This starts a guided setup that keeps everything consistent and easy to manage later. A search box will appear. Type Google Sheets, select it from the results, and click Continue. Choosing the correct app template here ensures n8n configures the right authentication method and permissions for you behind the scenes. Next, enter the credentials needed for the API connection. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you might be prompted to sign into a Google account and approve access, or you may have details provided by your administrator. Keep the name of this credential clear and descriptive so you can quickly recognize it later when building workflows. If you manage multiple environments or projects, consider including a hint in the name, like the team or project it's meant for, to prevent mix-ups. Once your details are in place, click Save. n8n securely stores the connection so you won't need to re-authenticate each time you add a node. If you see any warnings, double-check that you're using an account with permission to access the spreadsheets you plan to work with, and confirm you're signed into the right Google profile in your browser. With the credential saved, you can now use the connection to create nodes in your n8n workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a new node, and search for Google Sheets. When the node loads, choose the credential you just created from the credential dropdown. From there, you'll be able to select a spreadsheet and worksheet and configure actions like appending rows, reading data, or updating cells, all driven by your workflow's logic. This approach keeps your authentication centralized, reduces duplication, and makes maintenance far simpler if you ever need to rotate access later. And that's all. You've connected Google Sheets to n8n, saved the credential, and you're ready to build powerful automations that move data in and out of your spreadsheets with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy automation.